What interests me is just helping the environment, like making it healthier and making sure animals have a nice habitat to live in. After school, I'm hoping to maybe do a couple years in university and in particular marine biology.
My main passion is animals and the environment, but I will do something orientated around animals.
I'd like to become an author, so therefore I could write like environmental books and books about all types of things, and I'd also like to become a zookeeper. So I'd like to learn about all the different animals, which includes coastal and ocean and land.
When I'm older, I want to go into marine biology, and I want to study chondrichthyes, which is a cartilaginous fish, so sharks and stingrays. I did a survey around my school and many people were quite scared and didn't really like sharks. And I think the complete opposite. We need sharks for a healthy ecosystem.
I just really love caring for the environment because I think it's such a beautiful place, and I really want not just me but everyone else in the future to be able to experience the same things as me, and so that's why I chose to come along. Everyone was very surprised, but I would really like to get into law and do something for the environment, so environmental law. And so I'd like us to be able to stop litter being on the beaches, and I suppose I want them to stay clean and more cleaner than they are now.
More renewable resources uses instead of using plastic. But while if we use seaweed to make these plastics, they will actually totally dissolve into the ocean instead of making microplastics.
Now that I've enjoyed learning about more things related to marine biology, I'd actually love to join a committee or something like that and help out locally. Some people are stuck in old ways of thinking and using more plastic and stuff, but if you open them up to a new way of more sustainable thinking, like cutting down on palm oil or becoming vegetarian or just simple stuff like that, show them how it can make a bigger difference.